Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into M1 Finance app on iPhone, fast access step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the M1 Finance app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the app. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. Look for the email or username input field at the top. Enter your registered email address or username. Next, move to the password input field beneath it. Type in your password carefully. If you prefer to save your login details for future access, look for the option to remember your. Before proceeding, double-check that your email and password are correct. Once you're ready, tap the login button located at the bottom of the screen. Wait a few moments while the app authenticates your credentials. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your M1 Finance dashboard. In case you encounter an error, ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your password if necessary. Once you're logged in, you can start managing your investments. Explore the features available to maximize your M1 Finance experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.